How to disable your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can disable your Instagram account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to disable your Instagram account, you want to simply go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you have opened it, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You'll be on your profile space as you can see on the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the hamburger or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner. You'll be under settings and activity now. In this page, you'll find the very first option, account center. You want to tap on it. Under it, you want to head into account settings. Here you can see the personal details option. You want to tap on it, and here you'll find account ownership and control. Head into it. Now you can see deactivation or deletion, right? Select it and then select the account. If you have multiple accounts linked, it'll ask you to choose the account. You want to choose the account that you wish to delete. And now if you simply wish to disable your account temporarily, you can choose the deactivate account. To choose it, simply tap on it and make sure that the blue circle is on deactivate account option. If you wish to delete account, you can tap on delete account and make sure the blue circle is on delete account option and tap on continue. However, if you wish to deactivate it for a while, tap on deactivate and tap on continue and enter in your password here and you're good to go. This is how you can easily disable your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.